Hi everyone, I would like to show you how to do refund using the Pratham POS. So in order to do the refund, you need to go to the operation, and under the operation you have receipts and refund. So this screen will pop up if you are an admin user and if you have disabled the authentication from the admin while you do the refund. If you want to keep the authentication on every time you try to do refund, it will ask for the admin password and username. In this case, I have disabled the admin authentication because I am myself is an admin user. So in order to do refund, you can identify the order number by customer name, email, phone number, or the order ID. If you search the any order ID, for example, ending with 5260, for example, then I can see, for example, I have two orders which are ending with 5260. I can decide which one it is. For example, it is this one, which is finished order. I click on this red icon, click on this. It's asking me for the username and password. I enter my username and password for refund. And as soon as I click and it's successful, I can see I have one item which is $4 to be refunded. I click on that. You can choose the line item or full order, and then I can put the reason for the refund. For example, let's say customer is not happy, and I can decide whether I want to refund by card, cash, or standalone card. So card is basically it uses the integrated payment FPOS machine, which is integrated with the POS. You click on that. You can click on cash, which is basically you are returning by cash money. Standalone card is basically you are refunding from the card using FPOS machine, but not through the POS system. Then you can choose this section and your system will be reported as refunded order. So right now I'm using standalone card. Click on that and it says it's refunded. So in your sales report, it won't show this as your sell amount, but it's like a refunded order. That's how you can manage your refund, any order or any line item to the customer. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.